Hello, today we're going to work on a loft. So let's get started. I have Onshape. This is my free subscription. Let's go create, document, and we're going to name this loft 1. All right, we're going to work on this right view right here so we can actually hide this front view and top view. And to hide those, we're going to click on that right there. We're going to click Y, and we're going to click over here. We're going to click on top, and we can click this eyeball. There's 2 ways to do that, okay? So we're going to create a shape here, and then we're going to create a plane on the left side, a plane on the right side, and then take that shape and offset it both ways. So let's create that first plane off of this plane right here. So we're going to take that, let's say it's 50 millimeters this way, green check to finish that second plane, and we're going to create another plane this way, flip it the other way, and do 50 millimeters that way. Okay, now we have our 3 planes. We're going to create our geometry on our first plane, so let's create a sketch on plane number 1, and we're going to click and drag and pull this guy over here, click on the front. Actually, we're going to click on the left. There we are. So now we're on the left. This is our origin. We want to base our ellipse off of that origin. All right, so now we're going to create an ellipse. So let's go over here. Let's do the drop down, ellipse. We're going to click on our origin, and we're going to drag this out to about 100. We don't have to be perfect. And then this is about 50. We're going to hover over that guy right there. We're going to put in 100. And then we're going to hover over this guy and put in 50. Okay. Everything is black. That means it's fully constrained. That's exactly what we want to see. Then we're going to finish that. And now rotate, right mouse button, holding that down. And we're going to project this shape onto this plane, and same thing here. And then we're going to make it smaller. So now we're going to do a sketch on this plane right here. And we're going to project this onto that plane. So we go over here, we choose this use project. We're going to click on the ellipse. Perfect. And now what we can do is get out of that, and now we can make it a little bit smaller. So we're going to do offset. We're going to click on this guy right here, and we can click it right there, make it smaller. Let's click on left, and we can see how much smaller it's getting. So it's 5 millimeters right now. We click there, we can make it like 10 millimeters smaller, and it will automatically adjust. Okay, so now we got that. And what we want to do, we want to make this outside line construction. That way it won't try to extrude it or loft it. So I'm not sure if it will loft the outside, but I'm going to just make it a construction regardless. So click there, click that, and it should turn dotted once we make it construction. Construction means it's basically a reference. Okay, finish that sketch. Now we're going to take this and project it onto this surface. So I think we don't have to make another offset. We're just going to take this and we're going to project it onto this surface. So let's do that. So to do that, we're going to go to our sketch, click on this last plane, and then we're going to click on right, flip it over here, and then we're going to project this surface. So we're going to go over here to that project again, grab that, grab this, and do rotation. We can see it's projected now, green check. So now, after we are projected, now we can start our loft. So let's go over here to loft, click on the first, second, third, and we can see what it's doing right there. Okay, and we are making a solid, new, and then if you want to play around some start profile additions or end profile additions, you can make the shape just change a tiny bit. Let's see what it does. It's updating right now. Okay, so it kind of follows the contour a little better. And let's do the last one. And you should see a little curve going down here. Yep, perfect. All right, if that's what you want, you can click green check. Now we have our shape that is lofted. So thanks for watching. Bye.